Hi students, how are you? I'm here for introducing our Sanskrit Varnamala. I know you are going to study Sanskrit for the first time. So we want firstly know about the Sanskrit alphabets and the words and aksharas. So we have one day introduction. That's why I'm making this video. So class 5 introduction to Sanskrit Varnamala is here. Varnamala which is our alphabets. We all know the English has alphabets. Like that Sanskrit also has uh, alphabet that Varnamala which is the sequence. It's a sequence like. Okay, Varnamala is the sequences of particular letters. The letters are, I mean Varnamala. In Varnamala, letters are particularly sequenced. Okay, so Varnamala is letters that are particularly sequenced. There are 46 letters in our Sanskrit alphabet, which is Varnamala. Varna. What is Varna? Varna is the smallest unit which we can't split again. Okay, we can make word using this group of Varnas, but we can't split these Varnas. That's the speciality of Varna. Varna is the smallest unit. We can't split it again, but we can group it and make a word. That's Varna. So, there are two parts in Varna. The first is Swara and the second is Vyanjana. Now, we can see what is Swara. Swara has 30 letters. These varnas are again parted for two, and the first part is Swara. Swara has 30 letters, and that 30 letters are again divided into Hrasvam, Dirgham, Samyuktam. Already you know Hindi and Malayalam Aksharamala. You know A, I, U, and all that you know. Like that, our Sanskrit has similar Varnamala but a little bit difference. Okay, so first Hrasvam. Hrasvam includes A, I, U, R, L. Once again, Hrasvam includes 5 alphabets, which is A, I, U, R, L. And Dirgham means all you know about on the name itself. The alphabets includes the Dirghas. Okay, A, I, U, R. The 4 alphabets, and Samyuktam means it has something to combine with it. Samyuktam has 4 letters A, I, O. This A is a combined letter, I is a combined letter, O is a combined letter, and O is a combined letter. That's why it's called Samyuktam. The word Samyuktam means grouped. So, first Varnamala, the 30 letters are divided like this. Now we can go to Vyanjanas, Vyanjana Varnas. Vyanjana Varna again divided into 3: Sparsha, Andastha, Ushma. Sparsha, which is when some letters, when we want to pronounce some letters, we want to touch our tongue in certain parts of our mouth. That touch says sparsha. Hope you get me. Sparsha, when we pronounce some letters in alphabets, we want to touch some particular parts or some certain parts of our mouth. That's why this called that letters called sparsham, and sparsham includes 25 alphabets, and you all know kakha ghanghanga. That kachatatapa includes in this sparsha, 25 letters. And the next classification is Antastha. Antastha has 4 letters, which is y, r, l, v. Why it is called Andastha? Because it want less energy and we want to less it when now pronounce. And next is Ushma. Ushma means sh, s, h. We want to outlet some air when Ushma was pronounced. You will know when you pronounce sh, some air will pass out to from our sh, from our tongue. Sh, from our tongue. Then s. You all know some air passed out from our mouth. That's why Ushma has called. And next is Anaswaram and Visargam, very important in our Sanskrit language. Anaswaram means that like a bindi. You all see that bracketed. When we write a letter and dotted on the top of that letter, it was called Anuswaram. And Visarga, the 2 dots when we write a letter and dotted 2 dots, then it's called Visargam. So Anuswaram and Visargam is the most important part of Sanskrit Varnamala. So this is the smallest introduction to Sanskrit Varnamala. Hope you understand what I am saying. Thank you. We will see in our next class.